Today we're going to be covering the Get Model API within DataHub. So there's actually multiple ways you can call this with different query parameters in the URL. We'll get into that though. To start, we'll just take this base URL, put it into some tool like Postman. As with all the API requests for the platform APIs, it's going to be basic authentication. You're just going to use your platform login details. And then next, you're going to want to replace the account ID variable with your actual account ID. You can get this from really any Atomsphere URL, should be up there. So I'll put mine in. And then we need to grab the model ID. For this one, I'm going to pull up my contact model. To get that ID, you can just click into the model itself. Up here, there will say universe equals, and the universe ID is the model ID. So take that, replace it, go ahead and send this request through. You see it pulls version 28, which is the latest version of the model if we check version 28. Additionally, you can try to specify a specific version of the model you want to pull. So say, for example, I want to compare the current version 28. Now that I have this component XML, say I want to compare it to version 22. All you need to do is just take this at the end. There's a query. Just tack that on the end here. And we're going to need to replace this version variable with an actual number. So for our case, we're doing 22. Send that through. You could copy both of those into Postman and compare, or some tool like Notepad and compare them. And then one last function of the API is we can actually view drafts. That's easy. There's no variables in it. You just put question mark draft equals true. So we'll replace the version with that. And you can see here it says that it's a draft. And those are the three main functions of this API. Thank you.